Hello guys, today I would like to show you how to build cumulative total or running total in Power BI. First of all, we have like such data, amount, turnover, like it's accounting entries, and we would like to build trade account receivables dynamics. Here we have like just sum per each month of our entries. Yeah, and we would like to have a cumulative total for building trade receivables dynamics. So first of all, we should build like a new table with the data with a calendar. Yeah, so this is our calendar. Like min and max. So we just build our calendar. Now let's make it like more easier. Build this link between two tables. And then just make a new measure. Balance, receivable balance. Calculate sum, receivables turnover, calendar date, less or equal max. Calendar date. So what do we have here? Let's see. This is turnover and this is balance. You see the difference? That's all. And I show you how it's look like in the table. You see? That's all. That's